How to build business apps with Glide AI step by step. In this video, we're going to be exploring a tool that's changing the game for small business owners, entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to build apps without actually coding for them. Now, Glide AI, if you've ever thought about creating a business, it's an app that, however complicated it can be, developing, coding, testing, debugging, it's a lot, but Glide AI is going to remove all of that friction. With its intuitive interface and AI-powered automation, you can go from an idea to a fully functional business app in a matter of hours, not weeks. So in this video, I'm going to be guiding you step by step through building your first business app with Glide AI, covering everything from setup, design, AI features, and publishing. So by the end, you will have a working app ready for your business. So, before we start building, it is important to understand what Glide AI actually can do. Now, Glide AI is a platform that converts all of your spreadsheets into apps enhanced with AI features. It's designed for business use cases like customer management, order tracking, appointment booking, and internal workflows. Now, what sets it apart is the AI integration. You can automate data entry, generate content, suggest actions, and even provide AI-powered chat features directly inside your application. Now, understanding these capabilities upfront will help you design your app efficiently because you will know which features to leverage and which components you need to include your business operations. So let's start with setting up your Glide AI workspace. So the first step is to go ahead and start for free on the glideapps.com section. Now over here, it's going to take you through to the whole setup and onboarding process. All right. So what you can do is you can use pretty much anything to sign yourself up. And before signing up, let me also tell you the pricing. So there is the free plan, which gives you unlimited drafts, one editor, no updates needed, and up to 25,000 rows with glide tables and big tables as your data sources. Then there's, of course, the business plan and the enterprise. You can also switch on individuals where you can go for the Explorer and Maker plan, which are $19 and $49 respectively. So once we've got an idea of that, I'm obviously going to go with the free plan for myself. So once we're here, we're simply going to go ahead and click on continue. You can give the Google Drive section permission for yourself if you want to. And once you've gone with that, you're going to continue. Now, once you've continued, as you can see, it's going to bring you here where it says, what do you want to build? So if you want to build something specifically, you can go ahead and add that over here. Okay. And to build your app, you're going to start by visiting this section where it says, hi, welcome to Glide. What kind of app would you like to build? You can tell me your idea or upload some data using the paperclip icon, and I am going to be suggesting something. All right. Now, your prompt is going to matter a lot. Okay. Your prompt is something that is going to take you, through long ways. Now, we can go ahead and use a spreadsheet, a spreadsheet that is going to be telling them about our business. It's going to give them a good idea on how our business works and et cetera, et cetera. Or you can simply go ahead and add a prompt. So let's say I'm going to write create a new app. All right. And let's say in which I want a CRM that is fully automated and gives me insights, live let's go live knowledge about workers, and let's go and gives me reports, monthly analytics. Let's go with that. Let's write it has multiple views, and once this is done, and it is the core workspace for my company. Let's go ahead and write the company name, the ARC. So once you write that in, make sure to go ahead and fix any spelling mistakes, because it just makes the prompt much more convenient, much more straightforward. And once that is done, as you can see, We have create a new app in which I want a CRM that is fully automated and gives me insights, live knowledge about my workers, gives me monthly analytics, has multiple views, and is the core workspace for my company, the Arc. So what we're going to do is we're going to send that in. Now, once you send that in, as you can see, it's this great idea. Here's my suggested plan. Now, it's going to say set a branding for the Arc with a workspace analytic field, create these tables, add core screens. Would you like to use sample data to get started or upload your own data now? Now, if you have your own data, you can go ahead and upload that, but I'm going to go ahead and use sample data for myself. And once you've done that, it says, what's your name? You're obviously going to add in your name. Once our name is added, how did you hear about Glide? You can go ahead and let them know. Billing apps, continue. Company name, you can go ahead and add that in for yourself as well. Just me, choose your role. I'm going to go with IT, and you're going to choose the option, click on done. And once we click on done, as you can see, while I was doing that, it started branding my application. So look at this. My application is actually doing wonders over here. You can see a proper user interface in front of you that gives you a good idea of how your app is going to work. And of course, while all this is being done, don't worry. You don't need to worry about the fact that where will you add your information, because the information is easily added in the back end where it says data. You can simply go over to the data section, and here you can add in your whole, source of data, or total revenue, average time response, etc. You can even create new columns in this table or import a whole sheet. Then moving over, if you want to go ahead and change different things about it, you can do that as well. But before that, here you can see our application is pretty much done over here. Everything is pretty, changeable. You can go ahead and check different tabs out. So dashboard, workers, we have clients, we have our projects over here, we have our tasks over here, our analytics. So if there's anything you'd like to change in this, you could go ahead and let it know. But once everything is done, because for me it's good, you can go ahead into changing the interface, putting changes out into it. So let's say over here, we want to make changes to something specific, right? So you can go ahead and click over to something. You can go ahead and choose the title of it. You can go ahead and make different changes into its components. So let's say over here, you can click onto this and you can go ahead and either add more things into it or even change the type of value something holds. So let's say if I remove that, there you go. So just like this, you can make changes to your layouts as well and give it a good idea. And then finally, there's workflows, which is basically your automation. And this is the section where you can add automation into your application that you build as well. So once everything is done and you think everything is good to go, simply hit publish. And that is how you're going to be able to create a business application with Glide AI. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.